There's a reason Santorini, Greece, continues to dominate every travel bucket list, honeymoon plan, and Instagram feed. This crescent-shaped island in the Aegean Sea isn't just a destination, it's a fantasy brought to life. Picture dramatic cliffs cascading into sapphire waters, sunsets so breathtaking they silence crowds, and whitewashed villages clinging to the edge of ancient volcanic rock. That's Santorini. And for millions around the world, it's the very definition of paradise. The obsession starts with the first glimpse. As your ferry pulls into the port of Athenios, you're met with an epic contrast: towering cliffs rising vertically from the sea, topped with gleaming white buildings that look like a crown in the sky. It feels surreal, almost as if you've stumbled into a dream or onto the set of a mythical film. But this place is very real, and it's calling travelers from every corner of the globe. At the heart of the island's allure is the village of Oya, pronounced Ya, the poster child of Santorini. This is the village you've seen in postcards and travel brochures: blue dome churches, narrow marble paths, and iconic white houses built into the caldera's rim. Every evening, travelers gather here for what's been dubbed the most beautiful sunset in the world. When the sun begins its descent, the sky turns into a watercolor masterpiece. Streaks of pink, orange, and gold reflect off the Aegean, while applause breaks out spontaneously as the last sliver of sun sinks beneath the horizon. It's an emotional, shared moment with hundreds of strangers who all came seeking the same magic. But Santorini is far more than just a sunset spectacle. It's a place where ancient history meets modern luxury. The island itself was shaped by one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history, the legendary Minoan eruption that occurred around 1600 BCE. This event not only gave Santorini its distinctive caldera shape, but may also have inspired the legend of Atlantis. Today, you can hike along the caldera's edge from Phyra to Oya, standing on volcanic rock, and gazing out at the submerged crater, imagining the stories hidden beneath the waves. If you're a history buff, Akrotiri is a must-see. Often called the Greek Pompeii, this ancient city was buried under volcanic ash and perfectly preserved. Walking through its streets, you'll find multi-story homes, drainage systems, and colorful frescoes that hint at a highly sophisticated civilization. And when you're done time traveling, the nearby Red Beach with its striking crimson cliffs and turquoise waters offers a stunning contrast to the archaeological ruins. Santorini also captures hearts through its cuisine. This island doesn't just feed your eyes, it feeds your soul. Local tavernas serve dishes that blend Greek tradition with island freshness. Think grilled octopus, tomato keftides, fried tomato balls, creamy fava, and freshly caught seafood seasoned with olive oil and lemon. Pair that with a glass of Assyrtiko, a crisp white wine made from grapes grown in volcanic soil, and you'll understand why foodies fall head over heels for Santorini. Many travelers even take cooking classes or embark on vineyard tours to soak in the flavors and stories behind the island's culinary gems. Then there's the architecture. The houses and buildings of Santorini are an aesthetic marvel. Designed to keep cool in the summer heat, they follow a traditional Cycladic style that feels both simple and elegant. White walls reflect the sun, blue domes echo the sea, and cobbled paths wind through towns that seem like they've been carved straight into the cliffs. It's the kind of design that soothes your spirit just by existing. Every turn in Santorini feels like walking through a living painting. But what makes Santorini truly unforgettable isn't just the visuals. It's the feeling. It's the sense that time slows down here, that the world's chaos can't reach you among these cliffs and waves. It's sipping a cold drink on a terrace, watching cruise ships glide silently across the caldera. It's waking up in a cave house and opening your window to the endless blue of the sea. It's dancing at a beach bar in Parissa or exploring hidden chapels by ATV. Every moment becomes a memory. Every corner, a photo waiting to happen. Of course, Santorini's popularity means it can get crowded, especially in peak summer months. But even then, the magic never fades. Travelers who venture off the beaten path are rewarded with quiet gems like Pyrgos, a medieval hilltop village offering panoramic views without the tourist traffic, or Emporio, where you can wander through narrow stone alleys and stumble upon ancient churches with fading frescoes. And then there's the romance. For couples, Santorini is a living dream. Many choose to propose here. Others come to celebrate honeymoons, anniversaries, or just the joy of being alive together. Whether it's a luxury suite with a plunge pool overlooking the caldera or a simple table for two under the stars, Santorini has a way of turning ordinary moments into love stories. For adventurers, there's the volcanic hike to Ni Camini, where you can walk on black lava rock and smell the sulfur rising from active vents. Or take a boat tour to the hot springs, where the warm, mineral-rich waters offer natural healing. If water's your thing, snorkeling, diving, and kayaking reveal Santorini's aquatic treasures. And if shopping calls your name, the boutiques in Fira and Oya feature handmade jewelry, local art, and unique keepsakes. So, why is everyone obsessed with Santorini? Because it offers something for everyone. It's a romantic escape, a geological wonder, a historical treasure, a food lover's paradise, and a visual masterpiece, all wrapped in one sun-drenched island. Few places in the world can boast such diversity in such a compact and captivating space. In the end, Santorini isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. It lingers in your memory long after the plane takes off. It colors your dreams and tugs at your wanderlust. It's not hype. It's real. And once you've experienced it, you'll understand exactly why the world can't stop talking about Santorini, Greece, the world's dreamiest destination.